Hi there, I'm Kelly from Owl Labs. Today, I'm going to share some exciting changes that we're releasing to your Owl devices in software version 6.5. In this section, we'll talk about a long-awaited advancement to our Ignore Zone feature. For more information on this, or how to update your Owl software, you can see the caption of this video. With that, let's talk about Ignore Zone. Ignore Zone is one of the camera controls available in the Meeting Owl app that you can set for a single meeting, or you can set it so that it lasts through all of your meetings with the Owl until you decide to change it back. The Ignore Zone feature allows you to specify an area on the Owl's video that you don't want highlighted on screen during your meeting. While an Ignore Zone is set, the Owl will ignore any audio or visual cues coming from that part of the room that the Ignore Zone is set on, ensuring that it stays off screen during your meeting. This is especially helpful in preventing any unnecessary distractions from popping up on your video mid-meeting, like monitors, TVs, photographs, the doorway to a noisy hallway, or anything else in your room that you prefer not be highlighted during your meeting. Since we first rolled out the Ignore Zone feature, it was always limited to a single Ignore Zone, even with paired devices. Unfortunately, this sometimes meant that the area of the room that was in the Ignore Zone got shown on the Owl's video anyway, because it was still in view of the secondary device's camera. With the release of our 6.5 software, I'm excited to share that you can now set one individual Ignore Zone per device, including paired devices. This means that with paired Owls, you can set an individual Ignore Zone on both devices, giving you full coverage of the selected area from all angles. Thank you for tuning in. As a reminder, you can find more helpful information in the caption of this video, including how to update your software, more information on these features, and how to contact us if you have any questions or issues. Chat with us on owllabs.com or send an email to hello@owllabs.com and we'll be happy to help.